Welcome to Money Map Navigator. This is your quick guide to smart budgeting using the proven Save It First mindset system. In the next few moments, you'll see how this simple system gives you clarity, confidence, and complete control over your entire financial month and beyond. Money Map Navigator core features. The Money Map Navigator brings everything into one clear view. You'll see cash flow categories at a glance, see how to use the Save It First mindset, and see how you can easily add new expenses as they come up. You'll see how to preview your entire month ahead of time and access powerful tools to accelerate debt payoffs. The ease of navigation. Navigation is designed to be effortless. Just click to move between Money Map Navigator functions. All categories are neatly organized, totals are instantly visible, and your net monthly cash flow is always front and center. Everything you need is just one click away. Smart saving and spending. The Save It First mindset is the foundation of the Money Map Navigator system. It puts your savings at the top of your financial plan, not the bottom. You'll be able to manage high-yield savings accounts through trusted providers like Marcus by Goldman Sachs, American Express, and even Capital One with ease. You'll be able to automate your progress and build long-term wealth with simple, easy-to-establish habits. You'll be able to set it and forget it. Money Map Navigator's ease of use and updates. Updating your expenses is simple and fast. You can separate monthly and annual charges, uncover hidden subscriptions, and keep everything organized in one place. Your budget stays clean, clear, and easy to maintain. Monthly Register Cash Flow View. The monthly view in the Money Map Navigator gives you instant visibility. You'll see your entire cash flow at the start of the month, avoid overdraft surprises, and quickly identify unnecessary spending. You'll always know exactly where you stand. Debt management tools. The debt posting and advanced what-if features will help you to stay in control of high-interest accounts. You'll be able to use tools to test fewer months of payments or explore faster payoff options with small payment adjustments that can save you months of payments and thousands of dollars. Get your Money Map Navigator today.